When it comes to obtaining asylum in the United States, who qualifies and what do they need to do?
Asylum is also a rather complicated area of the law. The U.S. does allow for certain people, if they qualify, to stay in the United States and live and work and eventually become a citizen if they qualify for asylum. Asylum is for groups that are either discriminated as a whole based on their nationality or race in their home countries, or individuals who have individually been persecuted by their government. I had a situation where a few years ago where he was pretty high up in the opposition party of Malaysia, and the leadership of that country didn't like the activities of this political party. They would detain him and come to his house, and he was beaten on many occasions. I can easily tell you it was at least 20 times where he was detained and beaten at the hands of the police of the government of Malaysia. And we were able to file for an asylum case for him, which eventually went before the judge, and the judge granted him and his family asylum, which now allows him to live and work and go to school in the United States and eventually become eligible for citizenship. So that was a great story, because in that particular situation, as with a lot of asylees and refugees, it's very dangerous for them to be returned to their home countries. So we have to demonstrate that, where if they were returned, it could easily result in, death or great bodily harm. But it's not just limited to those type of cases. It can also apply to the Roma in Romania, for example. I don't know the situation right now, but I know in the past there has been institutionalized persecution or discrimination against them. So they also have been able to get asylum in the United States.